Good morning, students. We will continue uh, in our exercise. Last lesson, I explained about the ultimate league. We did some activities. I explained how to uh, calculate the sum of the numbers, and we will continue today in modeling. Now, when you have the formulas in your spreadsheet, you can change some of the data, the numbers that have been entered, and look at what else changes. This is called modeling. This is called modeling. Don't forget this definition. Yeah. When you have the formulas in your spreadsheet, you can change some of the data, the numbers that have been entered, and look at what else changes. This is called modeling. Let's look at the games console spreadsheet. Okay, I will show after. Modeling, changing data and watching what happens. Watching and what happens. What would happen if you didn't spend any money each week and saved all of your pocket money? To test this, you need to change the data in money spent each week to 0. Then look at whether the number of weeks changes. Before, money spent each week 3.50, right? And the number of the weeks 123 weeks. Okay, here is the Excel, the Excel spreadsheet. Okay, before and after here. Let's change money spent each week and what will happen. Let's see. Weekly pocket money, $10. Money spent each week. If I will put the 0, then we need the 80 weeks, right? In 80 weeks, we can buy the cost of the games of console. We can buy the console after 80 weeks. But if I will not change, then I can buy in 123 weeks. I have to wait in 123 weeks. Okay. I will change to 0 because I want to buy before. I don't want to spend money each week. Just I will save my money and I will buy the console of the game in 80 weeks. After what we can do in modeling, changing data to get to an answer. You can also use modeling to try out different data until you get the answer that you want. For example, imagine that you want to buy the games console in 50 weeks. How much money would you need to receive in weekly pocket money to achieve this? To answer this question, you will need to keep on changing the amount of weekly pocket money that receive until the number reaches how many weeks? 50 weeks. Here is the 20. Then here is the 48. If I will change the 21, what will be? 46. Then how can I change here? Can I change here to make it 50? You can raise your hand and you can answer the question. Then I will give the merit. Yes, students. Who can answer? You can raise your hand. Do you understand my question? Hello, can you hear me? Yes, Kwandi.
Hello, teacher.
Hello.
Yes, we need to find the weekly pocket money or the number of weeks. I didn't understand this part.
Look, here, number of weeks must be 50.
Okay.
50. And I want to buy in 50 weeks the console game, yes. And then I have to change here the numbers. I have a every week I have a money pocket $20, and how much money I have to spend to buy the in 50 weeks.
I'll try to solve it, teacher.
Okay, Lizia, Kwande, Patrick. Yes, Patrick.
Hello, teacher.
Hello.
If you wanna be able to buy the games console in 50 weeks, you need to save $16 per week and spend $4.
I have to spend $4. Are you sure?
Yeah, you need to spend $4 per week and save $16 per week.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's what I said.
Okay, Mr. Patrick, at the end of the lesson, I will give you merit.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
Good. Thank you very much. I took a note. I have already taken the note. Okay, at the end of the lesson, I will give a one game, online game, about the Excel. You will play, and for the winners, I will give the format at the end of the lesson. Okay, try to understand all the lesson because it will be some questions about the Excel, Microsoft Excel.
Okay.
But
you need
teacher,
the computer, and also you can do with the smartphone also. It's possible. Yes.
teacher, how we are going to find the money spent each week? Like,
Each week, $20.
The money that you spend.
Look here, they have already give for us in the book. They give us if this time try entering $20 and they see what happens. Can you see 48 will be if you have a $20 every week your parents will give, or if you will work somewhere, and 48 weeks you can buy the console game, right? Console game. And but if you want to buy in 50 weeks, what you have to do? Then you have to spend $4 because here is the 48 weeks. If you will spend $4 because here 2 or more, right? Weeks you need. That's why you will spend $4 every week. Then it will be in 50 weeks will be. Not 48, it will be 50 weeks, 2 weeks after will be. Let's continue. This time try entering $19 and what will happen? Wow. So this time decrease the amount of money, receive it, and see what happens. Avoid making a big change here. This time try entering 19 and what will happen? 19. Just we will see what will happen. Here will be $19. How many weeks?
42.
Yes, 53 now, because 3 weeks more, right? We have to wait 3 weeks more. That's why I have to wait for 3 weeks because $1 is decreased.
Okay.
Before I had a $20, now I have a only $19. Okay, now let's continue. Now it is 52 weeks because here is 3.5. If I will spend 3.5, then it will be 52. Okay. Here is the another explanations. What is the tip? And the here is the okay. Let's minimize. Okay, you will only need to get close to the answer you want. Sometimes you might never be able to reach the correct number exactly, and you do not want to spend several hours trying different numbers. Okay. In conclusion, to buy this games console in 50 weeks, you would need to receive 19.50 a week in pocket money. Activity 5.1. A new games console has been released that costs almost 800, right? 999, almost 1,000, sorry, and 0.99 without changing the amount of money that you receive each week and the amount you save. Find out how many weeks it will take for you to save for this new games console. I think everybody understands the question. Who can answer? Okay. Okay, Patrick again. No, another
I can
student.
try.
Ioani, Lady. Okay. Okay, one by one, I will listen all the students. Okay, Patrick, you can answer. Ioani also. Lizia.
Mhm.
Yes, you can answer.
I think that we need to do the price of the console divided by the weekly pocket money, and it will give us the number of weeks, which is 51 weeks. Yeah.
Okay, Kwandi.
So we can say the price of a console, like Lysia said, divided by the what is that? The amount saved per week. To get how many weeks we're going to to need we're going to need to get the console.
So how many weeks?
Elifet. Yes, Elifet. Can you hear me? I will read one more time the question. A new games console has been released that costs 999.99 without changing the amount of money. Without changing the amount of money. Here is important. That you receive each week and the amount you save, find out how many weeks it will take for you to save for this new games console.
To find out the number of weeks.
Elifet.
No.
Teacher, can I try?
Yes, Ioani.
Yes, teacher. I was doing this one when I was in the homework. So I got that we have to divide the new cost of the console by the amount you save each week. That would be $999 divided by 6.5, and then we would get 154 weeks approximately.
After we will see. Clady. Yes, Clady. Patrick. Can you hear me, Mr. Patrick?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes. Your answer.
Yeah, you just do 999.99 divided by the amount of money that you receive each week, which, if I'm right, is 15, like you showed up there. I'm not sure. That's the amount. But that's 15 and you just divide, which should give you.
No.
Okay, 99 now. Okay. Then. Yes, Patrick. Continue. Then.
What's the. I don't know what the amount of money that you receive each week is. 15.50, right? No.
Pocket
15.50.
money.
If you divide. If you
Teacher.
divide 1,000 by 15.50, you get 64 weeks, teacher.
Look, without changing the amount of money. Amount
So
of
teacher,
money.
we are doing with the initial amount that we started, like $10 weekly pocket. We spend 3.5 a week and we
Yes.
save 6.5.
Yes.
Yes, teacher. So the answer would be the $999 divided by the amount saved each week. That would be 6.5.
Then how many weeks now?
154.
Okay. You understand the difference?
Yes.
Now is the games of console is expensive, right? Before was the cheaper.
Mm-hmm.
And your weekly pocket money is the $10. You spend the same amount of money and you save the same amount of money, right? Then 154 will be the week number of weeks. Okay, thank you very much. I will give for all the students which answered this question. Okay. For Giovanni, Lysia, Kwandi, Patrick. He has +4 now. Yeah, I will write your names here. Okay. Let me take just photo because it will be easier. Let's continue. Next question, 5.2. Lysia, can you read 5.2
Yes.
question?
Now imagine you set a raise in the amount that you receive as weekly pocket money. Add another $10 a week to the amount you currently receive. How many weeks will it take for you to save for the games console now?
Okay, what's your answer?
So I think that we need to do like, Isha, can you show me the weekly pocket money?
Okay.
Okay, we need to do $10 plus $10, which would be $20. And then, Isha, can you show me the question?
Then $10. Add another $10. Add
Yes.
another $10. Now imagine you get raised in the amount that you receive as your weekly pocket money. If you have a $10, you have to add one more $10. They said. For example, we have $10. How I will add? I will come here. I will plus 10, right?
Yes.
Right? Or we have a mistake. Sorry. I didn't write here the equal. Okay, let's write just 20 because here is the dollars. Okay, 20 then.
Okay.
Add $10 a week to the amount you currently receive. How many weeks will it take for you to save for the games console now? How many weeks now?
61.
Okay, good. Next question. Easy, right? 5.1, 5.2. Okay. Now, these questions are very easy. Activity 5.3 3, 5.4, 5.5. It will be your homework. Because we don't have much more time now, because I will explain the next topic. And students, I will now show the formatting your the spreadsheet, and we will do the game. Okay. Here is the create a data collection. I have already showed here. Okay. We are doing because of the some students they didn't understand that questions before. Okay. Most of the students they ask me, teacher, we can't do, or we don't understand. That's why we like doing like revision. Okay, now I want to merge the cells. How I can merge the cell? I will select, for example, I will select until here, for example. Here is the merge cell. Can you see merge and the center? When I click merge and center, these cells will be only one cell. Cells, after you saving for a games console, enter. Look, I merged the cells, but I want to make it in the center. Look, here will be the center. This one is the center light, this alignment. And this is, it will be in the middle, right? In the center also here. And also you can do the wrap text. Look. Control Y, sorry. Look, if it's here, if you will wrap text, it means it will be in the center. For example, let me show wrap text how will be. I wrote sorry. For example, where is blocking? No problem. I will give another example for this. Saving for a games console. Games console. Okay. It will be in the center. Then, in formatting the font, so you can change the colors. You can make it the bold or italic. You know, like in the book, they show how to change the colors. Everybody knows about that. Now, after what we will do, here is the borders. You can select the cells, and here is the borders, different borders here. There are all borders, thick outside borders. The outside borders will be the thick, and I will choose the standard all borders. Okay, this is the another activity, and I will finish this example. Okay. Now, what we will do? We don't have much more time. I will do the extra lessons on Monday or Tuesday. Okay, because I didn't finish the topic. I will write after the lesson, and you have a final exam will be next week. You have one more. No, next week. Today is Friday, right? Next week you don't have a lesson because Thursday will finish all the lessons. Okay, now all the students open the your any Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. I open the game now. Okay, can you see this game? Joinmyquiz.com. Everybody open now. Joinmyquiz.com. Because my Zoom will, after 40 minutes, will stop. That's why after 5 minutes, yes, we have 5 minutes. After you can continue. Then you have to enter 99 and the 12 and the 68. You have to write your name, surname, and the grade. If you will not write, I will not give the merits. If you will write a nickname or fake name, I will not give the merits. If you want to do the merits, you have to write your name, surname, and your grade. Join myquiz.com and the 99. This is the enter code. Waiting for players to join the game. Okay. How many students they entered? Did you enter?